Alright, let's unbox this Spider-Man twin bell alarm clock. Which you could see that one. It's working, that one. Which it is running on them. Yes, cool here. Unboxing this. That one I've been taking a picture on it. Yep, you could see this new alarm clock twin bell in here. Which it is running on top of that. So, and now, let me get this on the battery. You could see it's a working battery, which you could see. No, this is made in China. We need a solid battery on the movement. Yep. Oh, make sure it's ticking. It is ticking. See? Here. Now setting the time. On that, and a little bit Spider-Man in here. You could see this pretty cool. Now, this one is put in the bookshelf, that one. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then.